Are you searching for the ultimate memory upgrade for your server? Look no further than the crucial 256GB DDR4 PC4-21300 2666MHz RDIMM bundle. This powerhouse package includes 8 CT32G4 RFD4266 RDIMMs, offering unparalleled performance and reliability for your server system. With a total capacity of 256GB spread across 8 modules, this bundle ensures that your server can handle even the most demanding workloads with ease. Whether you're running virtual machines, handling large databases, or powering complex applications, this memory bundle delivers the speed and responsiveness you need to keep your operations running smoothly. Featuring a CAS latency of CL19 and a memory speed of 2666 MHz, these RDIMMs provide lightning-fast data access and processing, minimizing latency and maximizing throughput for your server applications. Plus, with dual-ranked registered ECC memory technology, you can trust in the reliability and error correction capabilities of crucial memory to safeguard your critical data and ensure system stability. Compatibility is key when it comes to server memory, and this bundle has you covered. Compatible with a wide range of server brands including Dell, HP, Lenovo, Supermicro, Synology, IBM, and more, you can trust that this memory will seamlessly integrate into your existing infrastructure without any hassle, whether you're upgrading an existing server or building a new one from scratch. The crucial 256GB DDR4 PC4-21300 2666MHz RDIMM bundle offers the perfect combination of capacity, speed, and reliability to take your server performance to the next level. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Upgrade your server memory today with Crucial. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.